oli ku mirimu gyo emitongole basobola okuwaayo miliyoni namba nga essente eziyambako okulaba nga omuntu wo asigadde Uganda naye afuna enziika ennungi. Ensimbi eziwera ddala $250 batutegeezezza nti ebiringa ng'ebitundutundu 5 ku 100 ebya tiketi omuntu gy'ayinza okugula ng'akomawo. Lwaki tiketi eyo tebagikavalinze 10 ku 100? Kubanga singa ogikavalinga 10 ku 100 kitegeeza nti omuntu oli nannyini tiketi bw'abeera talinayo kyaleeta kiyinza okuleetamu omuntu obutafaayo. Kyebavudde bagamba nti bagenda kugikavalingako ekitundutundu ekisinga obunene oba ekinene naye naawe oleeteyo bw'oba nga waliwo ensonga yonna.
This is a very beautiful scheme. It comes from the stable of National Insurance, Leak Holdings Limited, but this particular product is under the stable of Leak Life Assurance Company, which is a subsidiary of NIC. And is, as has been said in the talk, it's an innovation to cater for migrants. Those workers who are living from Uganda and working all over the world, UK, Europe, Saudi Arabia, and the Middle East. Now, all the challenges we have been witnessing before, people dying who could not be repatriated, we have resolved them with this product. And it is very cheap. The benefits are tremendous. And we thank the Insurance Regulatory Authority for approving this product. They approved it after looking at all the aspects of this product, the actuarial data, and they said this is the right product to address the challenges we are facing. Once you take a policy, it runs for 2 years for the period of the externalization. And then people can always renew, people can always take more, because it's an endless venture. So we encourage everybody to get involved, start using this product. And there is more coming from the whole of this national insurance. As you heard, the regulator, NIC has innovated under the General Insurance Company. NIC has innovated under the Life Assurance Company. So it is now a full choice, a full bouquet of choice for the insuring public. We ask everybody to
before this insurance company coming in, the girls will get challenges in working abroad. The whole burden will be left to recruitment companies, and ministry would be overwhelmed. They couldn't come in to facilitate, like the girls who die abroad, bring back their bodies. It's entirely on the recruitment companies, and sometimes you find they don't have money, and yet the contract says the foreign company is the one that is supposed to pay the repatriation of the remains, but normally they don't cooperate, and some girls end up being buried abroad, and sometimes some girls face very, very grave illnesses, and they need to get treatment, and when they reach here in Uganda, they realize